Hello and welcome to this video. Today, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of how to import flashcards onto Quizlet. If you enjoy straightforward and helpful tutorials like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with more valuable content. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to Quizlet. If you're not already logged in, make sure to sign into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the specific flashcard set that you want to work with. This is the set where you'll be importing your terms and definitions. Next, click on the Edit button to proceed to the editing view of your flashcard set. From here, locate and click on the Import option. Now, copy and paste your list of terms and definitions into the provided text box. Be sure to use the correct delimiter between each term and its definition. For example, you can use a comma, tab, or another appropriate separator, depending on how your list is formatted. Once everything is correctly entered, click Import to initiate the process. Your terms and definitions will now be added to your flashcard set. And that's it! You've successfully imported your terms into Quizlet flashcards. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.